Hello ladies, today I'm going to show you how to wrap a twist turban. We carry these at Brim. It is by a New York designer, Romer Millinery, and she does a wonderful job with these turbans. They're available by custom order in many different fabrics, many different finishes and patterns. So there's a wire inside, and that's what makes this so effortless to do. So I'm just gonna work the kinks out of the wire so we can get started with our twist. We do have a nice selection in the store, but as I said, we'd be happy to help you select a custom pattern just for you. So first you want to situate the turban, the back of the head, and give it a nice strong pull and a twist to anchor it. If you notice, it's open on top, which you could certainly leave, but I'm going to tuck it in so it covers the crown of my head. Then with these two loose ends, you can shape and form and twist however you like. Very organic. It will be different each and every time you do it. This effect is pretty difficult to achieve without the special wiring that is inside of the fabric. So here it looks like you have an expertly done head wrap. Gorgeous.